Welcome back to the Star Career. Hanyo halam sogo joto taku buku songno Star Career no. Sengtini nalanyai Indian Polity. Indian Polity ni part 1 nalanyai Indian Polity tahu ni bagai important. Nadi TCS, TPS, TFS tak beskang ni exam tunggu abo. Tai tirpani joto government job competitive exam ni bagai important omo. Sengtini nalanyai nadi framing of the Constitution of India. Chini Constitution of India wo kai besek article tong bufros namjaka sabs namka besek sal nangka besek year nangka bufro paikha aborok joton nari ni jingtini kai besek article tong tai amendment bill koite tong aborok jotono kaham kechen nai lai star career ni bisingpi nge first nai ni chen nai framing of the Constitution of India. The drafting committee was appointed on 29 August 1947 with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the chairman. Before independence of India 15 August 1947 aboni ko salta mulo onke no 29 August nisimi onke no tamo drafting committee khajaka aroni chairman sabo Dr. B.R. Ambedkar bono Constitution snamu bini bisingte bono design kayu. Okay, second point nalne the Constitution Assembly took almost 3 years. Chini Constitution snamani nadi almost 3 years nangi thanga besek time nangka accurate 2 years 11 month 18 days nangka omo exam of hayo important balakin omo mujonar di salbesek nangka chini Constitution sibini 2 years 11 month 18 days nangka balakin important to complete its historic task of drafting the Constitution for independent India. Next, on 26 November 1949, the people of India through the Constituent Assembly enacted and gave themselves the Constitution of India. Assembly ni through to adopt khajaka bufro chini Constitution sibe adopt khajago apron chim Assembly ni through to abon baganyo 26 November no tamode ni saja tabu tam din palajak observe khajak 26 November no mujonar demo exam for important national mujonar di Indian Constitution day bufro observe khajak 26 November 1949. Next point, the Constitution was finally signed by members of the Constituent Assembly on 24 January 1950. Assembly ni joto member bufro sign kya chini Constitution complete manelo 24 January 1950 bo joto member no Assembly ni sign kya approve kya abno gata man kana The Constitution came into full operation with effect from 26 January 1950. Okay? 24 January was the Assembly member sign kya abano 26 January in chimi effect like full operation cholika chini Constitution. Abon bagai 26 January no tam hene celebrate khaja tabo tam day hene Republic Day Indian Republic Day hene celebrate khaja abon bagai mutunar de tam bagai Republic Day celebrate khaja 26 January chime full operation ke effect loy. Next nalene chang world language written Constitution had 395 articles in 22 parts 8 schedules at the time of commencement means tamsaka wal ijoton sai kolokhe Constitution sijaka Kongma country ni nahajaka chini Constitution inga abon bising tam kisnam jaka 395 article je pro chini Constitution sijago afro 395 article tongmani tai 22 part tongmani 8 schedule tongmani pula starting for Inke aboni ulo tabuk inke tamtong now the Constitution of India has 448 article. Tabuk 448 article tongo. Tai 25 part ngi thangka age 22 tongmani. Inke tabuk age chidul tongmani tabuk 12 sidul ngi thangka. Inke there are 104 amendments. Amendment means tamo 104 times update khaijaka chini constitution abna no amendment. Okay, last update khajamani tamo naji took place on 25 January 2020 to extend reservation of seat for SC and STs in the Lok Sabha and State Assembly that have been met in the Indian Constitution so far. Inko chini 104 amendment tamo reservation of seat SC by ST ni inko khajamani extend khajamani abo mujunar demo 104 part tai GST rok inke tamo 101 honga GST chini GST tongo abro mujunar baje inke aji sing tam por laini sing kaisa chini koita part tong kai besok part tong chini 25 part tong 25 jotono nalini sing tinjo introduction next part ni simi kaisa ke part sing nai thanglani baksa wansukan asa kabang bagi por nai 448 article 25 part bagi por nai ni wansukan sing joto por na ya sing tam exam of phai je important a part simi si sing nalini sing smartly por na nai inke number 1 part tamotong the union and its territory means chini center tai territory boundary ro chini abrok jotono tamo ko part 1 tong article busko klai 1 is mi 4 jorawo omo tong the union and its territory. Second part tamtong citizenship chini hu si erong mani kepro abrok jotono ojangan tong inke article mujunar be citizenship ni article tai bo part tong om exam phayo omrok joton exam phayo union and its territory bo part tong om exam phayo part 1 article busung sim busugo 1 is mi 4 article number bo joto mujunar ngana ya je nangmani je important je exam of phani jat abo simi jeng porlaine abo simi mujunar ngana joto mujunar ngai ge bosor thangpeni ni porte no exam asung na time tongla exam asugo nang clear khemangla abon bagai jeng je important abo simi mujunar ngai joto article as 448 abo mujunar me kundino abon bagai jeng tamo je important abo simi mujunar ngai jeng abo porte joto topics porte joto jaga na jeng nai citizenship naji 5 ni simi 11 article jora tongo part hinke 2 chini 3 part 3 by part 4 belakheno most important amoro o part ni belakheno exam of 5 exam nukjago norok previous exam question rogo nai nai di TCS hindi TPS hindi joto jagano tai SSC hindi RRB hindi joto jagano o kani part ni belakheno important o jagani belakhen phayo question ro gana fundamental rights mujunar de bujaga ta part 3 bo inke busung sing busak 12 article ni siming 35 articles state policy directive principle oron hoitino tribal welfare ro oron hoitino khoro inko pusak part tongo 4 tongo article inke 36 ni siming 51 4A wonge fundamental duties article ke 51A 5 nge the union among ke chini center ne bare center ro tam part tong ma je tam raja the executive o jagot executive tam tong executive busak article chini busak jora na je 52 ni simi 78 jora tam tong ro oro no chini president tongo prime minister joto officing tongo changa upor lainai main important tai parliament chini parliament rajya sabha lok sabha abon bare por lainai chang The president ni power of nadi berapa 123 article Union Judiciary. Ojagan ketamo Supreme Court rock aborok joton tongbayo. Comptroller Auditor of General of India 148 to 151. Next nadi State. Ini state ni bare state of tam to. General definition 152. Executive means or governor, chief minister aborok tong joton. Chini MLA ro atero. State legislature. Chini tamo assembly ro aborok bare sungalene. Legislative power of governor of the governor. Governor ni power ro sungjoton nalene. Chini state o high court in the state. High court ni tam samung aborok high court ni bare sungalene. Subordinate court among district court dong ni bare. Union territories. Union territories asal important ya asal exam of haya. Nah, hapuno part sih muncul lagi tuh deh. Tapi yang important 9 part. Panchayat, cini panchayat ni bare. Tapi 9A municipalities aman bare, important. Tapi 9B yang asal important ya. 11 relation between the union and the states. Legislative relation. Union with center by state ni relation. Amro asal important kere. An begitu asal exam of haya asal ni. Ang begitu naya. Some important kana election 15 part election most important ambo 324 ni simi 329 tang mujo kaya nang ko tabo je kaya nang mani abusin khale ni jeng mujo article number to itam important language of union regional official language ni mujo to important official language mujo narde Chini constitution of Kaibasak language tong aborok joton semanai o bising. Emergency provision. Emergency Kaibasak tong Chini Indian constitution of India o national emergency, state emergency, financial emergency. Je pro gondogol nangi thango pura juturong nangi thango apro o emergency president role ni thangman. Aborok financial crisis pro financial emergency ni thango aborok nalai. Tai asuk important kare amendment of the constitution ni am kasi important amachini bai ke slide jak chini amendment bill ro abrok sang ojaga nale ngke asuk no hambai jotono chini lecture no hamja khangke norok subscribe khaji like khaji tai share khaji norok ni hamjang ma tai chuba mung rei jongdi chini channel ni main purpose ngka chini borok rong bagai si chini borok rong no bai ke tisanai bai ke encourage khane exam competitive exam roman jaga roko abon bagai norok sungno subscribe khaiton di sungno follow khaidi chini Facebook page tai telegram o get PDF free mannai subscribe khaino lo bell icon bo press khaidi tebu katal video update man